Hey everyone, have you ever wished your 3D printer could do more? Maybe print in a dozen colors, handle super tough materials, or even become a laser cutter or CNC machine? What if I told you that the future of making is already here, and it's more exciting, faster, and more colorful than you can imagine? Get ready to dive into some truly game-changing tools that are redefining what's possible in the world of 3D printing and beyond. First up, let's talk about the Yumi 3D printer, which isn't just a printer. It's a whole ecosystem designed for makers. For years, Yumi has been providing reliable tools from over 100 filament colors to laser engravers and even their own nanocomputer, the Smart Pi 1. But the Yumi printer itself was born from a big question. How can we make multicolor 3D printing truly clean, fast, and accessible? Yumi set out with 6 core goals: reduce filament waste, eliminate purge towers, make 3D color painting easier, speed up multicolor print times, support more than 4 colors, up to 12, and make it all truly affordable. One of the coolest innovations is the Yumi Pen Screen. This powerful 13-inch multi-point capacitive touchscreen lets you zoom, rotate, and paint your 3D models directly in ORCA Slicer, just like drawing on a digital canvas. Imagine adjusting fine details or blending colors with both hands. It's that intuitive. It connects with just one USB-C cable and is universally compatible with your favorite slicers. Then there's the star of the show, the Yumi Model C printer. This next-generation machine is built for speed, precision, and true multicolor performance. Powered by Clipper firmware, it boasts ultra-fast motion control up to 700 mm per second. You can choose between the Chromax 12 head for up to 12 independent colors or the high-flow direct drive for faster printing with flexible and technical materials. The Yumi Model C solves all those multicolor printing headaches. No purge towers, minimal waste, fast color switching, clean filament transitions, AI, assisted monitoring, and even remote control via the Yumi Lab app. It comes in 3 build volumes: C235, C335, and C435, adapting to any workspace. At the heart of it all is the Yumi Material System, YMS. This fully modular system lets you scale from 1 up to 12 colors. Each YMS module handles one filament spool. It features independent filament routing, meaning no tangling or delays. Filament is cut directly near the nozzle, drastically reducing waste and retraction time. Plus, all YMS modules include an anti-UV cover to protect your filaments. The YMS PRO version even has an integrated chamber that heats up to 85 degrees Celsius, perfect for sensitive materials. Yumi also offers an incredible range of over 140 filament colors, from PLA Plus and PETG to TPU and carbon fiber reinforced composites, constantly expanding their library to offer the largest selection in the 3D printing world. With features like a built-in 4.3-inch capacitive touchscreen, remote access, Clipper firmware, and non-contact metal-based auto-bed leveling, the Yumi 3D printer is truly designed for creative freedom. Next, let's talk about Swift Shape, the most powerful 3-in-1 desktop creator suite. This isn't just a laser cutter, it's a 90W Colorado 2 laser cutter engraver, a 3D printer, and a CNC router, all in one compact machine. With a massive 30 by 16-inch workspace and speeds up to 2000 mm per second, Swift Shape offers endless possibilities. Swift Shape redefines multifunctional manufacturing by allowing seamless tool interchangeability. Its super compact design belies its expansive workspace, letting you handle materials up to 30 inches wide, 16 inches long, and 8 inches tall. Plus, with its pass-through feature, you can even work with infinitely long materials. It's packed with features that make creating easy: an integrated camera for simplifying alignment and scanning, dynamic autofocus that effortlessly adapts to curved surfaces, and an enclosed laser path for enhanced reliability and reduced maintenance. Swift Shape delivers flawless cuts, even through 1-inch wood and acrylic. It also boasts an automatic feeder for a seamless experience with long materials and comes with a Lightburn license, making it easy to learn even for beginners. Now let's explore the Praxitron, an affordable 3D printer with 2 extruders. This machine features an IDEX, independent dual extruder design, meaning its 2 print heads can work simultaneously, significantly boosting speed, precision, and versatility. Why choose Praxitron? Its IDEX design enables simultaneous printing with multiple materials or colors, streamlining complex projects, and reducing production times. It offers a generous 350 by 350 by 450 cubic millimeters printable volume and can combine any 2 nozzle sizes from 0.2 mm to 0.8 mm. One of the biggest advantages of dual extruders is creating stronger prints. Imagine using a thinner nozzle for walls and a thicker one for infills, giving you both fine detail and incredible strength. You can also print intricate designs requiring varying properties like heat resistance or flexibility within the same object. This means functional parts, like rubber grips on a plastic handle, are easily achievable. Praxitron also simplifies support structures. You can print with a strong material like PLA and a dissolvable support material like PVA, which washes away after printing, leaving perfectly clean complex geometries. And of course, multicolor printing is a breeze with no manual filament swaps needed. The Praxitron boasts a unibody design for enhanced sturdiness and precision, reducing vibrations for higher print accuracy. Plus, there's zero setup required. Just unbox it, plug it in, and you're ready to print. It features auto bed leveling powered by piezo sensors for perfect first layers every time, a built-in camera for real-time monitoring, and filament detection for uninterrupted printing. Its modular design makes maintenance and nozzle changes effortless. Ready to take your 3D printing to the next level? Meet the ProForge 5, the ultimate tool changer 3D printer. This powerhouse features 5 tool heads, a massive 500 by 400 by 500 mm build volume, lightning fast speeds, and an open source design. The ProForge 5 is capable of running up to 5 high-speed, direct drive print heads, allowing for true multi-material printing. Imagine adding flair to your prints with up to 5 different colors, or combining flexible materials like TPU with rigid PLA in one print for functional parts like grips or gaskets. You can also use dissolvable supports like PVA for complex overhangs, which simply wash away after printing, leaving perfectly clean results. And with multi-nozzle support, you can use larger nozzles for strong infill and smaller ones for fine details, all in a single print. This machine is built for speed, reaching accelerations of up to 40,000 mm per square second and speeds up to 600 mm per second, with a max flow rate of 40 cubic millimeters per second. It features a 48-volt quad-core XY motion system for unmatched power and reliability, and a 5-inch capacitive display for easy control. The printhead itself uses the brand new Smart Orbiter version 3.5 extruder, a lightweight direct drive system with integrated hot end and electronics. It includes a filament sensor for auto-loading, an RGB indicator LED, and a high-flow CHT nozzle for clog-free printing. The tool changer mechanism is powered by a high-torque servo motor for secure locking, and both the master and tool plates are precision CNC machined from hardened stainless steel for accuracy and durability. The tool dock even prevents oozing by blocking the flow of material from the nozzle when not in use. The ProForge 5 also boasts auto XYZ calibration with a click probe for perfect nozzle calibration, and its huge 500 by 400 by 500 mm build volume lets you print towering prototypes of full-scale cosplay armor in one go. The ultra-flat 7 mm cast aluminum heated bed ensures exceptional stability and precision, reaching 100 degrees Celsius in seconds. It also features an eddy probe bed scanning for a 500-point mesh to ensure a perfect first layer. With an enclosed design and fume filtration, the ProForge 5 is truly a professional-grade machine designed to take your 3D printing game to the next level. Finally, let's look at the Prusa Maxi, an incredibly simple upgrade that doubles the print volume of your Prusa Mini and Mini Plus. If you love your Prusa Mini but wish it could print taller, this is for you. The Prusa Maxi Z-Axis upgrade kit increases your Z height from 180 mm to 360 mm while keeping the same compact footprint. It's super easy to install, taking just minutes, and here's the best part: no firmware modifications needed. It works perfectly with your stock Prusa Mini settings and all your existing Prusa Slicer profiles. Many large objects only have one large side, so why invest in a huge printer with a massive footprint when you can just upgrade the Z-axis of your existing Prusa Mini? The Prusa Maxi lets you print taller parts without increasing your printer's desktop space, making it a cost-effective way to get into large-scale printing. Worried about print quality? Don't be. The Prusa Maxi has been continuously printing large parts for months, maintaining the same excellent print quality as before the upgrade. This kit is perfect for makers, hobbyists, and businesses who want to expand their printer's potential without breaking the bank. It works with both the Prusa Mini and Prusa Mini Plus, and a detailed video installation guide makes upgrading a breeze. What do you think about these incredible advancements in 3D printing and making? Which one excites you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your fellow makers, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tech content. See you next time.